Project Master. Ooh. Morris, the crochet.
All right, this is the first beauty weave. Yes, those ones who know the Afro B. We're going to sew it, and yes, we're going to leave the hair out. So I'm just going to try to be speedy here so that we try to understand each other. And please, yes, try to listen to me very careful so that we shouldn't do these mistakes more and more. Now, when we are trying to do this kind of a hairstyle, yes, now I'm talking to those ones with straight, laxed hair. Yes, those ones with short hair. No. Those ones with natural hair. This video is not for you, and I don't think you would also want to do this kind of a hairstyle. You know, sometimes I always try to advise my clients that yes, hairstyles are always there, but sometimes it is not worth it to do a hairstyle that is going to make your natural hair like maybe to break or to lose the texture just because of that one hairstyle. So at the end of it all, you can always leave it and do something else. So this time around, this weave is for those ones with straight lax hair, and this is how we sew it. And those ones who didn't know, this is the right video that you're going to watch, and I explain to you everything. So as you're doing it, all in all, what you need to put in mind is that we are trying to put the hair inside. So if we're adding the hair inside, it means we don't need to create that a bigger volume, like to add in a lot. You understand? Because I've been seeing like most of my colleagues, like they put a lot, like it is a lot is when it is huge, then you try to iron it, it looks more artificial. So and yet we leave this hair out to try to make it to look natural, you understand, and yet you can make it look that natural, because someone might look at you and think that it is really it is like your hair, you understand. So you need to go with that. You need to go with that as you're doing it. You need to maintain that. So if it is like this and you want it to look like your hair, it means where you feel like, let's say like in the middle, or now when you try to look here, sometimes you find some people trying to put a lot and then it shrinks. No. Like it starts looking big. So when you try to add on the hair, this hair that is remaining, to cover the weave, and you can always see it behind, you can always see it inside. So you should always try to maintain that, in that it doesn't show after it all. So we're going to see it very well, and I will be you will be able to know how it is. And please, I would like you to tell me where you're watching this video from, because I always feel happy when you tell me where you're watching my videos. And if you have any question that you need to ask, you can always go and write in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this, or maybe something else that you need to learn, because I told you this channel is where you can always find different types of hairstyles, and I've done more, and maybe there are those ones that maybe you'd want also to learn, so we can redo some others. Yes, and we'll learn how to do all that. So yes, that is the only thing that I always want from you, my good fans. So now, if we're trying to trim it, please trim it with that you don't have to make it straight, just try to put that it's not like a curve. Yeah, you trim it this way, you trim it this way with the machine. And those ones who don't have machine, you can always use a scissor. It's not a must, because I know that those people who don't know how to hold the machine to use it very well. So you can use your scissor, as long as you it can work for you very perfect. So it is what you need to use. So after when you're done, before doing everything, because this trimming still will also need to make sure that the weave also doesn't bring those sharp endings. You understand? Now the way you can see them, they're showing here. So what I always do to remove them all, there is this scissor. I hope you all know it. When it looks like one side is cutting, another side is like a comb. You understand? That scissor is always there, so it is the one that helps to remove those sharp ending, and we're going to see it here after ironing it. You are going to see it right here. So for the bob weaving, you just have to maintain the neck, someone's neck. Yes, you move with someone's neck. How it is going to look like, the neck matters. Yes, so that is how you can always do it. But all in all, we don't need to put a lot. We just have to keep on adding like just little, like someone's hair, so that it remains looking natural. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone. Yes, everyone, we're going to do it like the way we have been doing it before, posting videos of different types of hairstyles. So please, if you're still new on this channel, make sure that you click on the red button, ring the bell, so that we can always do this together. Yes. Now you can see this is the scissor I was trying to tell you about. When the other the some part is cutting, another one doesn't. So you see how it has removed those sharp hair. And now this is the it also works like a gel. You just have to put it. It holds the hair to make it blend with my wave the way it is. She had thin hair, so that's why I was telling you that when you try to see that your client has got like fine hair, also you don't need to add in big wave. You don't need to make it very big. So you just have to go with her hair so that it can cover it well, and you see how it looks like. So let's continue and see what is going to be there, and anything that you feel like, you can always go and write in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this wave. And another thing is, the link is right there. You can click on it and go on my learn online courses that are going on. The online courses, you can go and learn them. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
Yeah. One time, Gangsta. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okuliddwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo. Basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. It like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master. A big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Sometimes you need a little loving. Oyagala kola kaviri oshanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo kumanyije kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master. Yakugu kamoviri kati master. Makeup ono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Changu ewa crochet master.